Embark on a clutter-free journey with Texas Roll-Off, your go-to destination for streamlined waste management in Texas City, Texas. Elevate your cleanup game with our top-tier dumpster rental services that promise efficiency and convenience. Whether tackling a home renovation, construction project, or decluttering, Texas Roll-Off stands ready to cater to your waste disposal needs. Our dumpsters come in various sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for every project, and our hassle-free rental process makes cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to the stress of waste management. Texas Roll-Off is here to roll out the solution you've been searching for. For seamless and dependable waste disposal, contact Texas Roll-Off at 409-923-8850 or visit our website at www.texasrolloff.com. Our dedicated team is committed to providing prompt and reliable dumpster rental services tailored to your requirements. Take the hassle out of cleanup and let Texas Roll-Off be your trusted partner in maintaining a tidy and organized space. With our commitment to excellence, waste management has never been this efficient. Experience the freedom of a clutter-free environment with Texas Roll-Off in Texas City, Texas. Our dumpster rental services are designed to simplify your cleanup endeavors, ensuring a seamless and stress-free process. Texas Roll-Off is your trusted ally in effective waste management, from residential projects to commercial ventures. Let us handle the mess while you focus on what truly matters, achieving your project goals easily and efficiently.